In this video, I'm going to show you how to log back into your Splitwise account. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to log in, it's pretty simple. Just open up Splitwise. Then from here, it will say sign up, log in, or sign in with Google. So it depends how you've signed in. If you sign in with a email address, go ahead and click on the login button here. And you want to join in your email address and then your password. But for whatever reason, if you've forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on forgot password, and then it will say reset password. So you need to put in either your email address or phone number and choose your correct country code to reset your password. But if you've logged in via or create an account via your Google account, it's going to be super simple. So go ahead and click on sign in with Google, and now choose that Google account where you've signed up and signed in with before. So in my case, it's Tutorialwiz. Then from here, just go skip all this stuff, and then you're back to inside Splitwise, and you successfully have logged in.